Salam, guten tag, bonjour, how's everyone doing today? Welcome back to Mr. B Presents. Today we're going to do a Star Wars Lego build. This is the third one that I have. I've already seen the Dark Falcon and the TIE Fighter X-Wing mashup. This is actually Jedi Bob's Starfighter. So no mashups here, just a simple build. This is kit number 75388 with 305 pieces. In this one, it comes with Jedi Bob, the Akbar Trooper, and the Servo SRVO, or Servo for short. Okay. Back, you can see it's got a couple little projections that we're going to have in it. And we've got a little spot down here talking about the canopy, or front part of the canopy coming off for, I think, the droid maybe. I'm not sure. Okay. But that's the whole thing from the box set. So let's go ahead and let's break into this and put it together. Okay, so now that the build is done, here we are. Okay, we got Servo here. Servo looks pretty good. Looks like a nice little power droid. We have Jedi Bob, complete with a cloth cape. And we have Stormtrooper Akbar. Or Trooper Akbar. Okay. So, got his little gun. He's ready to go. Okay. And then we have our A-Wing. Okay. Comes up. Now, if you take take the guns out, because he's the quickest one here. Take the gun out, doing this one-handed. You bend the legs, and actually they fit down in there nicely, and you can close the canopy on them like that. Okay. Move the mini-me out of the background. Okay. Actually was a pretty decent little build. We have one landing gear that folds here. Notice we do have a couple. If you do that, they shoot. Okay. One little thing here is, if you take this off, take a peek down here, we have some supplies. We have some blue milk, and we have a banana. I mean, you got to have food while you're on the trips, right? So that's always stored right down there. So fun little one. This took me about 50 minutes to put together tonight, and I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely, if you're into the Rebuild the Galaxy series on Disney Plus, the wonderful little triple one here. So you got all the main characters from it between the 3 different builds. Definitely go out and get this one here. I think not quite as fun as the first 2 in the series, the X-Wings and TIE Fighter mashup, or the Dark Falcon. But nice little one. This, if you're starting off with Legos, this might be an easy one for you to start off with. So, all right, guys. Hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, au revoir, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss.